The LG V20 user here, and today I'm doing a video about the Samsung Galaxy A01. So I'm on sammobile.com here. So if you guys want to check out this article, the link to this will be down below. So Samsung is bringing another affordable smartphone to the US. This time it's the Galaxy A01. So that is pretty cool. So yeah, let's check this out. So that's the front there in front of you. The phone looks alright, you know what I'm saying? It looks alright. It does have a tape drop notch there, you gotta see that right there. So it says our entry level Samsung Galaxy A01, also headed to the US. So that's pretty cool. If you guys wanna get like a budget smartphone or whatever, this phone could be for you. It says here, for the longest time, customers in North America didn't have the option to buy smartphones from Samsung's mid-range Galaxy A series. That changed in 2018 when Samsung launched the Galaxy A6 2018 in the US and in 2019. And in 2019 we saw a few more A series phones make their way to the country. This should be no different. And we already know that the Galaxy A51 will be launching stateside at some point. I did a video about that as well. The A51. That's obviously a lot better. That's a lot better spec phone than this one. That phone's like 350, 360. This one's like maybe $100, slightly more than that. Maybe it's like less than $100. But you know, it says now the FCC certifications have been released, and it has been revealed that the Galaxy A01 is on its way to the US as well. So it's pretty cool. In terms of features and specs, the Galaxy A01 is rather similar to the Galaxy A10e, which was released last year, which is the most affordable A series phone available in the US right now. It comes with a 5.7-inch HD Plus Infinity V display, an octa-core processor, 2 GB of RAM, 16 GB of expandable storage, a dual rear camera setup with a 13 megapixel primary and a 2 megapixel depth sensing camera, which is pretty cool. Not bad for a budget phone like this. Like I said, the Galaxy A01's gonna be like $100 or somewhere around there, so it's not bad that you're getting dual cameras on back. And you also have a 5 megapixel front facing camera and a 3000 mAh battery. It runs Android 10 with One UI 2.0 out of the box, so that is really cool. So if you guys want to experience Samsung's new One UI, this phone will let you do it on a budget. This phone will have Android 10 out the box, which is pretty fucking cool. It'll have Samsung's One UI 2.0, so that is really cool as well. I do like the One UI, it looks very nice and clean and all that. So that's the phone right there. Here are some of the specs. The model number of this phone, I'm guessing this is the US model, says SM-A015F. 5.7 inches LCD panel, so there's no super AMOLED. There's no AMOLED display on this one. So the specs on here are they're like low end specs on this phone, so do keep that in mind. So give us more specs here. It'll probably give us most of the specs here, but here it is. Like I said, it's Galaxy A01, model number SM-A0115F. It's a phone. It's available. Will be available black, blue, and red. Most carriers will get the black version. Your dimensions are right there. It'll have Android 10 with One UI 2.0, dual SIM capabilities. SIM card slide. It takes a nano SIM card, which is pretty cool. It has an LCD display, 5.7 inches. That's HD plus. Infinity V display. There is no S Pen support. Of course, this is not a Galaxy Note. This is a Galaxy A series, low-end Galaxy A series phone here. You have 8 cores on this. Probably an Exynos processor on this, possibly. You have a quad core at 1.95 gigahertz, and then you have a quad core at 1.45 gigahertz processors there. 2 gigabytes of RAM. Up to 512 gigabytes of external storage. You do get 16 gigabytes of storage there. Sensors, you get proximity light and accelerometer, so nothing special there on the sensors. Main camera is f2.2 aperture lens, 2 megapixel depth sensing camera with f2.4. Also has a 13 megapixel main camera on back. There's a 5 megapixel front facing camera with f2.8 lens. It does have a camera flash on back, front flash, and it might have a little like a screen flash or something like that. Front facing camera, auto focus, no, A&T, USB-C, which is really nice. It's not bad for a budget phone like this. So like, I'm glad Samsung is putting in a USB-C charging port in here, because a lot of manufacturers are still using micro USB on budget phones. But I'm glad Samsung is using Type-C on this one, so that's a win right there. You don't have MHL support, no Wi-Fi Direct, no DLNA support, no NFC, so nothing like that. This is basically your basic phone here. Okay. 3000 mAh battery. It's not removable. No. According to this, is fast charging. According to this, if it is indeed fast charging, that's pretty cool. Super fast charge? No. There's the phone right there. The phone looks very nice. I don't know what it looks like on the back. I don't know what it looks like on the back of the phone. I don't know. Probably if I'm gonna look like the Galaxy A10e from last year on the back. But this is a budget phone, so you know, yeah. So do you guys have the Samsung Galaxy A01 is also coming to the US as well. I know that this phone's gonna be going to a lot of carriers like Metro, like T-Mobile, maybe Base Mobile, Virgin Mobile, maybe Straight Talk, Verizon Prepaid. All the prepaid carriers will get this phone. I'm sure they will get this phone. So all the prepaid carriers will get this phone. So all the prepaid carriers that you guys can name, this phone will have it. I don't think Virgin Mobile will get this phone, but you never know. I don't see the point of Virgin Mobile getting this phone anyway, because Virgin Mobile is shutting down. So I don't see why Virgin Mobile should release another phone anyway. But that's just my opinion. So if you guys are looking to get a affordable smartphone from Samsung, if you guys want to get a backup phone or whatever, first phone for your kid or whatever, the Galaxy A01 is coming to the US very soon, guys. So I'll be on the lookout for that if you guys are interested in this phone. Price range, I'll say between $100 and maybe $130, something like that. It will probably be less than $100. It should be less than $100. So I think it'll be less than $100 because of the specs and stuff like that. I like the fact that it's Android 10 out the box, One UI 2.0, USB-C charging, 3000 mAh battery, 5.7 inch display, which isn't too bad. HD plus display, not too bad either. It has like your 18:9 or 19:9 display there, so pretty cool. So specs on this phone, you know, this is a budget phone, so you do get what you pay for it. So I do expect this phone to cost less than $100 if you think about it. So do you guys have it? Samsung Galaxy A01 coming to the US, and I am pretty sure that all the prepaid carriers will get this one. So yeah. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It really helps me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.